Did you have fun at the football game? And now we're back. Go get in the rain. Are you getting all wet? Someone's soaking wet. I think somebody's gonna need a hot shower, Mommy.
Oh yeah.
You almost got the hang of it.
Look how excited she is.